Okay, so listen, you know how everyone's been freaking out about AI taking jobs, right? Well, Anthropic, the people who literally make Claude, they're basically saying it's actually happening. Like their CEO Dario straight up said AI is going to wipe out a ton of entry-level office jobs. We're talking potentially half of them, which is a lot. Now, to be fair, nobody's mass unemployed yet, but they're already building this tracker to watch which jobs are getting cooked first, which honestly is kind of scary that they felt they needed to make that in the first place. So who's actually cooked? Programmers are up there. AI is already writing most of the basic code and humans are just reviewing it. Customer service basically gone. Chatbots are handling all of that. Data entry, paralegal stuff, basic finance reports, writing product descriptions, all of it. AI is just doing it. The jobs that are actually safer, trades, like electricians, mechanics, nurses, teachers, stuff where you're going to be there using your hands, dealing with real people. AI can't do that yet. Now, not everyone's doom and gloom about it. Some CEOs are like, nah, it'll just change jobs, not kill them. But like, we'll see about that. Only time will tell. Here's the honest take though. AI is probably replacing tasks, not whole jobs. Your lawyer's still there. They're just using AI for research. Same with programmers. The strategy and problem solving stuff, still human. For now anyway. And a heads up, apparently white-collar desk workers are getting hit way before blue-collar workers, which nobody saw that coming a few years ago, right? Until next time.